Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a traditional American dish. We're going to be making some chocolate chip cookies, so I hope you guys are all excited, and I hope you're hungry. Now, before we get started, because I want people to take me seriously, the first thing I'm going to do is take my top off. That's much better, isn't it? I hope you all noticed that I've chosen the color blue because it stands for America. I've also decided I was going to go really rogue today and wear these jazzy American shorts, even though I'm pretty sure that they're men's underwear. Alright, now we're all American and maverick and ready to get going. Now, the recipe we're going to use today was actually passed down to me from my grandmother. It's a true American recipe with a little bit of an Alaskan twist. The first thing we're going to do is put in 2 cups of flour. This particular brand of flour is good because it's white like Jesus. The next thing we're going to add is an entire stick of butter from a cow that I shot with my shotgun out in the backyard here in Alaska. We're just going to mix that all in there, just like the melting pot of America with all of our immigrants and people of different cultures. Okay, now that we got that, the next ingredient we want to add is 3 eggs. But we're not going to crack the eggs because that's abortion. Alright, now our next ingredient is a whole bunch of sugar. You don't even have to measure this. We just want them to be sugary sweet, just like we are. America, frick yeah! Okay, now that we have all that, now it's time to put in our chocolate chips. I got black chocolate chips because the last thing that we want to be called is a racist. Now it's time for a real Alaskan twist. Okay, I got about 1 pound of moose meat here. We're just gonna mix that all in there. Oh, looks like we had an abortion right in the middle of the bowl. That's okay. God will forgive me. Now, if you don't have any moose meat at your disposal, you can use whatever roadkill is outside that you can find. The goal is to just have it taste as American as possible. Now we're going to take small little 1-inch sections and put them onto our cookie board. Oh, we got a whole egg on that one. That's going to be a good one. While you're doing this, you can think about your love for our country. And you can also think about going out and buying my book, available at all bookstores. Now I'm going to go ahead and stick these cookies into my preheated oven. While those are baking, you can think about things that are happening in your life. How Bristol Palin did so good on Dancing with the Stars. How great Sarah Palin's Alaska was while it was on. Can everybody shut the heck up? I'm trying to make a cooking show in here. Show some respect for your country. How bad I want to be president of this country. Boy, do I sure love America. Oh, I better go check on my shoe collection. After about 20 minutes, you should take your cookies out of the oven. Oh, don't they smell so good. Now, the Palin family doesn't do anything half-assed, so I'm going to decorate these cookies with some blue icing. Because it's American. You can even have some for yourself right now. Oh, that's good. Oh. But don't have too much because gluttony is a sin. And that, my friends, is how you make some true American cookies. I'm Sarah Palin, and make sure you vote for me in the 2012 election. I'm a real goal-getter and a total 100% American. And remember, kids, don't do drugs and don't have sex with people before you get married. Unless you're my daughter. Oh yeah, we had so much fun going rogue today, didn't we? If you guys like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. We put out new videos every Wednesday. Marbles edits them all himself, so congratulations, good job today. We also have a Facebook and a Twitter and a blog channel, so check those out. And if you didn't like this video, then I don't fucking care. Now, if you excuse me, I gotta go to the gym because I ate those cookies and I'm trying to get my butt to look like this. Right here, if you click anywhere in this area, you'll see my butt, butt-spiration. Alright, gotta go to the gym. Right here. Butt-spiration. Watch that. Get a butt-spiration. Go to the gym, and we'll rip up the ellipticals. Butt-spiration.